During the board exam, twice ako nag-fail. I took up BS Accountancy sa college, not because I love math or magaling ako sa math. It's because I want to be rich. Backstory, I have this friend na sa family nila, every time someone's graduate, ang gift is car. So, I was curious, ano kaya yung work ng parents niya? And I found out, ang dad niya pala is a CPA. Nakatatak na sa isip ko na someday I will be a CPA because I want to be rich. Because ever since as a kid, alam ko nang maging successful businesswoman ako. Alam ko maging mayaman ako. So, my way to reach that goal is dapat maging CPA ako. But, hindi pala ganun kadali ang accountancy. So, sobrang nahirapan ako. Because, I started strong, mataas yung grades ko, then suddenly when I experienced failing my exams, doon na dahan-daan na naapektuhan yung confidence level ko. Although I graduated sa college, not with honors, okay lang. But during the board exam, twice ako nag-fail. Not because bobo ko, but because sobrang nawalan ako ng confidence. The first time I failed my exam, sobrang takot ako sa tatay ko. I tried again taking my board exam. I failed again. So, nag-stop muna ako and rested. Yung fear kung paano ko harapin yung tatay ko was there. But everything changed when we had this heartfelt conversation. Kasi hindi ko siya kinakausap, kasi hindi ko siya kayang kausapin. He started the conversation. When he said, "Kamusta ka?" I already cried. I said, "Sorry, I failed you." That was really embarrassing, but what he said really touched my heart. Okay lang yan. Lalaban tayo ulit. So on my third try, I passed the exam. So I realized all I did was my father's affirmation and love. Kahit anong mangyari, he still loves me.